Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. Today is April 16. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we're going to do a quick write. So in front of you, there's a template and it says, I feel blank when. So I feel happy when I eat ice cream. I feel angry when someone is mean to me or to others. I feel super excited when I go camping. I feel sad when Milana is sick. I feel surprised when blank. I feel scared, etc. So your job is to, first of all, think, because that's what great writers do. We always think before we start writing. But maybe before we start thinking about how we feel or what triggers these feelings, I need you to make sure that you understand and you know what these words mean. So just looking at them, I know that these words we've used before, but just in case if you've forgotten, you could always just Google Translate, or if you were really stuck, you could just always send me a voice message or just message me and I will get back to you. But before you start this, I just wanted to talk to you very briefly about yesterday. So your job yesterday was to watch this video. How are you feeling? And then to use, I'm just going to highlight this. You were to use this as a template, talking about at least 3 feelings. So using the feeling or using the feeling, but also explaining why. And this is something, again, that we have talked about just before we started to stay home and no longer come to school. So the why. So why do you feel happy? Or why do you feel sad? Or why are you feeling furious? Or whatever emotion it is or feeling that you choose to use. And I'm just going to walk you through really quickly. If you haven't submitted this yet, I just want you to think of a few things. Now remember, before submitting any work, you always have to think and kind of go back and ask yourself, did I do my absolute best? Does my writing make sense or not? Do I have any questions that I need to be asking maybe a family member at home, or just maybe reaching out to Mrs. Talib and asking those kind of questions that you need help with before you submit anything? Do my sentences start with capital letters? Am I ending my sentences with proper punctuation, and so on? And I feel like what I'm going to do, just like we had posted in our classroom, I'm going to be posting a writer's checklist that we have created together on here. So that's something that you could always use and go back to. So again, if you did that, yesterday's work, please just submit it to me. And then your quick write is going to be this. So, and that is it for today. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We are going to start doing some reading and just to fill you in as to what to expect in the next week or so, that Miss Martin and we are planning on getting you guys on a app called Teams. It is a free app. We are just creating a video how to get you on there. And that is going to give us a way so we could all be sitting in front of a phone or sitting in front of a computer, and so I can see you too. And so we're going to continue on with the things that we have been doing in our classes. So yeah, I just felt like throwing it out there. But again, going back to today, this is the template that you need to be working on. Please ask me any questions if needed, and submit when you are done. Okay, you guys have a great day. Bye.